What if I told you that these mesmerizing AI glass fruit ASMR videos racking up millions of views could be yours to create, completely free? I recently made a video showing you how to make these using Canva, but here's the problem: you could only generate 5 videos before hitting a paywall. But today, I'm about to blow your mind. I'll show you how to create the same viral videos using Google Veo 3, and with this method, you'll generate up to 50 videos with 0 restrictions. Plus, I'll reveal how to combine them using CapCut to create full videos ready to explode on your social media channels. Before we dive into this game-changing tutorial, smash that like button, share this with someone who needs to see this, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss future money-making tutorials like this one. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. Without further ado, let's get started. Here's where most people get stuck, but I've got the secret pathway. First, open your browser and search for Veo 3. Now, here's the first trick most people miss. Tap on this specific link by Google DeepMind. You'll see you can try Veo 3 in Gemini, but here's the insider secret. Flow gives you way more control over your creations. So we're going to click Try in Flow instead. Once inside Flow, tap Create with Flow. Click on Get Started to continue. Now here's where I save you hundreds of dollars. As you can see, to create videos with Veo 3, Google wants you to have a subscription. But remember, the title said free, and I meant every word of it. If you watched my previous videos, you know I demonstrated how to get Veo 3 for free. But if you missed it, don't worry, I'm about to show you the exact method right now. Click on subscribe, and here's the beautiful part. Google gives you free access for a full month at a cost of $0. This isn't some limited trial either. This free plan includes complete access to Veo 3, 1000 credits across Flow and Whisk, Gemini 2.5 Pro, Whisk for high-quality images with Imagen 4 and video generation with Veo 2, plus 2 TB of cloud storage. Click Get Google One AI Pro and agree to the terms. Now, you'll need to tap Add Credit Card and fill in your details. But here's the crucial part. You won't be charged during the 30-day trial period, and you can cancel any time before your trial ends. Boom! The trial is activated, and now we have access to all the pro features. We can happily proceed to generate our viral videos with Veo 3. But wait, let me show you the safety exit before we go further. In case you're wondering how to cancel the subscription later, it's incredibly easy. Open Google Gemini. Tap on Settings, go to Manage Subscription, and you can cancel your membership right from there. Simple as that. You're always in control. Alright, let's go back to Flow and create our AI Glass Fruit ASMR empire. Click Go to Flow, then tap New Project. We'll create our videos from text, but here's the game-changing trick that lets you generate up to 50 videos instead of just 10. Before proceeding, change your settings like this. First, set the number of videos per generation to 1. Then choose Veo 3 Fast Model. And here's why this is brilliant. It only costs 20 credits per video. Do the math with me. 1000 total credits divided by 20 credits per video equals 50 videos. Compare that to Veo 3 quality, which costs 100 credits and only gives you 10 videos. We're getting 5 times more content with this strategy. We're set up perfectly, but now we need video prompts. You don't need to stress because I've already done the heavy lifting. Simply go to ChatGPT, our reliable friend, and paste this master prompt I prepared to save you hours of work. You can find this exact prompt in our Telegram community and in the video description below. The task is to create 5 detailed prompts, but you can customize this number to whatever you want. Replace the bracket with the names of fruits. For example, I've listed apple, watermelon, diamond, mango, pineapple, coconut. Then, press Enter, and in a few seconds, ChatGPT will give you ready-to-use, detailed prompts. Copy the first one, go back to Flow, and paste it here. Hit generate and wait for a few seconds. The video is ready. Let's check it out. Amazing. The details, the sound effects are all on point. To download, click on the download option. You can download the original size or even upscale it for free. Now, in the same way, repeat this process. Copy the next prompt, paste it in Flow, and hit generate until you've generated all your videos. All the videos have been generated. I'll save all of them to my device. It's time to connect them together to create a full, engaging video. Open CapCut or any other video editing software of your choice and create a new project. If you don't have CapCut, I've put the download link in the description below. Import all your generated videos into the project. After importing, drag them to the timeline in your preferred order. Here's the beautiful part. Since the videos already have that perfect ASMR sound, there's nothing much to do. But if you want to make it even more professional, you can add smooth transitions between each clip. These transitions will make your compilation flow seamlessly, keeping viewers mesmerized from start to finish. Now tap Export and make sure to export it in 4K resolution for maximum quality. The video is ready. Let's take a look at our final masterpiece. And there you have it. You've just learned how to create incredible, viral AI glassfruit ASMR videos with Google Veo 3 for absolutely free. Now go forth, create, and amaze your audience. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for more amazing AI tutorials. What other AI video ideas do you want to see? Let me know in the comments below.